Imagine this, a laptop so powerful it could replace your entire desktop setup, yet thin enough to slip into your backpack. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Because Asus just dropped a new version of the ProArt P16, and it might be the most ambitious creator laptop we've ever seen. But there's one upgrade in particular that changes everything, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for that reveal. So let's break it down. The ProArt P16 has always been Asus's premium laptop for creators, slim, professional, and built on the same chassis as the Zephyrus G16 gaming laptop. Earlier this year, we reviewed the 2025 model with a 2.8K OLED display and an RTX 4070 GPU. Solid performance, no doubt, but creators wanted more, and Asus listened. The new P16 is slightly thicker and a bit heavier thanks to an upgraded vapor chamber cooling system. But that small trade-off unlocks massive gains. You can now configure it with the Ryzen AI 9 HX370 and, wait for it, up to the GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24 GB of VRAM. That's right, the top-of-the-line desktop-class GPU inside a creator laptop. We're talking a max TGP of 120 watts, which is going to be a huge advantage for video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted workflows. And yes, memory goes up to 64 GB. But that's not the whole story, because even the most powerful GPU is only as good as the display you're working on. And this is where the ProArt P16 makes its boldest move yet. The laptop introduces a brand new Lumina Pro 4K Tandem OLED display, which is not just sharper, but dramatically brighter than what we've seen on the Zephyrus G16. HDR finally looks the way it should, and at 120 Hz, motion is buttery smooth. For content creators, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a workflow revolution. So, when you put it all together, the RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the Ryzen AI 9, up to 64 GB of RAM, and a 4K Tandem OLED display, the ProArt P16 isn't just catching up to the competition, it might just be leapfrogging it. Even Apple's MacBook Pro 16 with M4 Pro and Max should be looking over their shoulder. We'll have a full deep dive review in October, benchmarks, comparisons, and performance breakdowns. But here's the bottom line. If you're a creator who's been waiting for a no-compromise laptop, this could be the one. So, what do you think? Is the ProArt P16 the ultimate creative machine, or would you still choose something like the MacBook Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our full review.